Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, Antilag, we are coming back and making a second video on it because as you can see here, the first video I made went really well, but I was a rookie in that video. So now they changed something. So there's something I learned. Also, I've been practicing, so I know how to work it a little better. So in today's video, I'm going to show you where the new button is for the anti-lag on the MHD update, as well as just some really good pulls. So I'm doing 15 pounds of boost, which is the maximum amount of boost that you can set it to. And I'm going to get 3 different angles. I'm going to actually 4. One from the outside, a second angle from inside the cabin, a third angle in the back so you can hear the exhaust when it builds up the anti-lag, and a fourth angle that's going to be right in the front of the car. What's up, man? And that angle is going to be basically capturing the intakes and the turbos and everything spooling up. So it's a really cool video, so let's hop into it. So looking at the steering wheel, when you download the anti-lag from MHD, what they did was before you pressed this set button, but they moved it to this reset button. So you hold that button while giving it a little bit of gas and it will send you forward. I mean, this thing just kicks back and it's insane. So you hold this reset button and you have to give it a little bit of gas. So just hold it, give it a little gas. First, second, third gear, whatever. If you're on the highway, you can do it in higher RPMs, but just hold this. And then as soon as you punch it, let go of the button and this thing just moves. It is incredible. I love using this. All right, so real quick, I just went to Walmart and I bought, get this out, this GoPro suction mount. So this is my first suction mount that I've bought for my GoPro. So we are going to mount it on the car and get some sound clips as well for the anti-lag. And yeah, should be awesome having this as another camera angle. Unbox this, see what we got inside. There it is. Okay. Let's hope that this thing does not, sorry, I can't hold my camera. Let's hope this thing doesn't make me lose my GoPro today, but the reviews seem pretty good on it, so I'm gonna trust this thing with my camera. But that's what it looks like. All right, guys, so we're gonna get a clip of what it sounds like near the exhaust, because it makes a really cool sound when you press the anti-lag button. All right, we got you guys mounted on my window. So let's go ahead and get a different angle of the anti-lag. E-brake is on. This way you guys will be able to see me pressing the anti-lag button while I accelerate. Let's see. We'll go straight. All right, so we are in second gear. So I'm gonna hold the reset button right here. Listen to it. Kind of gas the car and let go. Wow. Gives you butterflies in your stomach. It's crazy. All right, I'm gonna try third gear at around 35 miles an hour. So we're gonna hold it. Let go. Wow. It's incredible how well this thing works. Should we try it in first gear? Let's see. First gear. Whoa. That really spun the wheels. First gear likes to spin out, and then First gear is probably my favorite one so far, just because of how like much the car likes to kick out and just go like, it turns into a maniac. I can see this being really beneficial for some rolling races. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna do a rolling start. So remember, press this button and hold it while accelerating. Second gear. All right, guys, so that is gonna wrap up this video. Had a ton of fun getting all those angles for the different sounds and accelerations and stuff that the Antilag just provides. It's such an experience. So anyways, thanks for watching. And I hope this video helped you guys if you're trying to learn how to do it or if you just want to see videos on it. But make sure you subscribe if you like the BMW content. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Silky Beats.